Hi, my name is Allison Monroe, and I am CEO of the Language Learning Market.
My name is Najeli, and I'm the Marketplace Manager.
You are here today because we love your products, and our team has handpicked your company to join our marketplace. Today, I have a short presentation to introduce you to the marketplace and how it works. Over the last 20 years, I have lived and worked in Europe, Australia, and the Middle East. And I have 4 children. And when my oldest daughter was born, I wanted to teach her Arabic, but I couldn't find fun and engaging resources to buy. So I went all over the Middle East and I searched and found incredible businesses with beautiful products, Montessori teachers with tools, Arabic nursery rhymes for kids, and boutique booksellers. But they didn't have distribution. In 2007, I founded an Arabic education distribution company and successfully took dozens of companies global and then digital, and I built an online community with more than 1 million YouTube subscribers, and it was very successful. I sold that company in 2013, and now we are scaling that business model from one language to all world languages and dialects with the Language Learning Market. The problem I face is not unique to Arabic. It's the same for Hindi, Hebrew, Vietnamese, or Polish. It's a daunting task for parents and educators to find the resources they need to teach in their home language or a second language, because global education fails to connect buyers and sellers. Educational businesses struggle with direct access to their target customers, which are school districts, parents, and teachers, and that's you. There is not one centralized location for aggregating and curating quality educational resources in all languages. Until now. The language learning market is a niche marketplace for educational products in all languages. We curate resources so parents and educators can easily find the best products in their home language or in a second language to create the immersion experience for their home and classrooms. We are creating a global community of language lovers and hope that you choose to join us. We launched the company last year and are in soft launch phase. We are focused now on building a strong product catalog for each language. We have more than 2,500 products with more than 150 vendors in 25 countries, and we represent 100 languages so far. With an average of about 4,000 visitors a month, traffic and sales are increasing each week, and our marketing campaigns will start this summer. So now I'm going to tell you a little bit about how the language learning market works. We operate like Etsy. You run your own storefront as your own store, and you pick, pack, and ship your products. You can sell digital and physical products. You set the terms and conditions, prices, and return policies. You determine the shipping cost and where to ship the products. And we only sell the highest quality products. Businesses of all sizes are signing up because a niche marketplace for education does not exist. We are a direct distribution channel to your target audience. For US sellers who want to break into the global market, we promote your products globally so you can reach new markets and increase your revenues. We do the same for international sellers who want to break into the US market. Next year, we'll be applying to sell directly to dual language schools, immersion preschools, and US public school districts. There are 13,000 districts in the United States, and as preferred vendors, teachers and administrators will be able to purchase your products directly from us under our umbrella with school funds. And we offer a lot of free advertising to build your brand and your income. Let's talk about how to open a store. We have 2 plans. One is for stores selling digital downloads, which will receive a 70% commission on each sale. And the other one is for stores selling physical products, which will receive an 80% commission. Both plans are $199 a year. But for a limited time, we are offering them for free to stores that decide to join us in our initial stage. In case you have physical and digital products, please contact us directly for a special plan. So, opening a store is easy, and it takes less than 10 minutes. Go to the Become a Seller page and click on Apply to Open a Store and choose a plan that best suits your store. Once approved, you will receive your login credentials to the seller dashboard. Enter your company description, logo, and you connect to Stripe. Start setting up your product listings easily. We have a bulk upload process and a CSV template so you can upload 80% of the product information. And that's where Nayeli comes in. She is your dedicated account manager who will ensure that your store is set up properly. She will help you polish your listings with SEO, metadata, and your product thumbnails, and just to make sure everything is done right. And she will provide that bulk upload CSV template to you. We use Stripe for payment processing. You will need to open a Stripe account if you don't already have one. Stripe is a robust global payment processor for credit cards. Stripe is like PayPal, but better because you receive payments immediately at the time of the transaction. Pick, pack, and shipping is done by you, the store owner. You choose what countries to ship to and your rates. Shipping rates are flat rates based on weight and zone. There are 3 zones: domestic, US, and international. Next quarter, we are integrating our back end with Shopify and Fulfillment by Amazon to streamline your shipping and fulfillment. Taxes. As an online marketplace, we are responsible for all USA sales tax. So let's get to the fun part, marketing and advertising. We have a robust social media network with 1.3 million followers, and we will use our influencer status to promote your brand and your products across our social channels. When your store is live, we will promote the launch with 3 things. Dedicated YouTube videos. We want to spotlight your store on our YouTube channel with 1.3 million subscribers. We want to post videos you have about your company and products. Our goal is to drive traffic to your store. We suggest creating play and learn videos that spotlight your products. Videos that teach are the most popular, and they will grow your brand and make people want to buy your products. Social media advertising. We will create assets for you to post across your company's social pages. We will also announce your store launch across our networks. And we want to spotlight your company and your products to the world through our blogs. We will submit a blog post that tells your company's story and mission, and we will post it on our website and share it. You'll receive, when your store is all set up, you'll receive an email with next steps to launch this phase. The marketing team runs campaigns based on language by language rollouts. Hard at work behind the scenes are our SEO, social media, guerrilla marketing, content creation, and YouTube production. These teams are making and sharing content daily to promote the marketplace and to increase sales and traffic. Your company will also be included in these company-wide campaigns. So that is most of the frequently asked questions. And so we hope that after that presentation, you will decide to join us, because we have found you and we are inviting you to be a part of our family. We hope you choose to join us in our journey to inspire, empower, and impact the world through the love of language. If you have any questions, please email us, and we are here to answer them all. Thank you very much.